And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 2-pack of rechargeable camping lanterns. You can see they have a couple of different colors here. We got the green one. They're good for emergency, camping, night riding, fishing, and exploration. So there's 6 different modes powered by rechargeable batteries. It can also be a power bank for your mobile device, so whenever and wherever. And this side just has the sticker outdoor LED 2-pack camping lantern model, the KJ-1296, and the same picture is there. So let's open it up, take a look at it here. So we have 2 of everything. So this is essentially like a wrist strap, or a way that you'd be able to hang this somewhere while you're not using it, or to use it, I guess. Then they include 2 USB-C cables because it uses USB-C to charge. Love that. And then you get lantern number 1, very nice. And lantern number 2, as well as a nice little instruction pamphlet telling you all about the device. And that's it for the box. So these are completely identical. So this here is like essentially a clip where you could hang it on your book bag, hang it on your tent, whatever you may want to hang it on. This is the button that turns on the light. Very nice. And other than that, there is also this little handle, so you could easily carry it. You could, of course, take this off if you don't need it, flip that down, however you may want to use this. And this is your USB-C port to charge it, as well as a full-size USB-A port, which will charge any device up that's USB. And other than that, that's the device. Everything's nice and easy, rechargeable. I'll, of course, take it outside and show you the brightness right here. So I have my, can't tell, rechargeable camping lantern in my pretty dark backyard. And wow, hi buddy. This is actually, hold on, go widescreen. This is actually way brighter than I anticipated it being. I do like the blue light as well as the handle, but dang, that's a pretty bright light. Hey there, buddy. And if we press the button again, it goes a little dimmer. If we press it again, then we get this part where you'd be able to like set it on a table or something, have a little bit of light for everybody. And then of course you can dim that. And then it goes to the red and the SOS, so, and then off. But definitely a much brighter light than I anticipated this being. I mean, this thing would be actually really good for walking around places. I'm going to some abandoned places soon. I might should take both of these with me in some kind of way. But that'll essentially do it for this little camping lantern here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.